Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at the Swarm deck for Jim Lee's C-23 trading card game. The Swarm theme deck is, I think, the fifth one we've done, or the fourth one, I don't even know anymore, of the C-23 line. It's one of the last ones. We only have this one in Gung Ho to go, and then we'll have seen all the starters. As always, there's 40 cards in the deck, and an instruction sheet. And the set only has 162 cards, so we're going to see some duplicates. So let's tear right into here and see what we've got. Alright. Here is our advertising sheet. Tells you all the cards that are in the collection and the starters. The different starters there. There's 6 of them, that's right. This is the 5th one we've looked at. Previously we did look at the Firestorm deck, the Buzzsaw deck, the Time Bomb deck, and the Steamroller deck. This is Swarm. And we have Gung Ho left to go. So this sheet is our rules sheet. The paper is real thin and poorly crafted. It is in color though. And it does give you the overview. The game does look really simple. Fairly easy to play, but the quality of these sheets is pretty terrible. Alright, so let's look at our cards here. First we've got a Angelin War Room. I'll never get that word right. Training Cadre. A Surgery Room Resource. A Lumbering Hulk. A Council Chambers Resource. Biology Lab Resource. Angelin Commander. The Oracle Resource. A Wolven Pack. A Breeding Chamber, Ambush Tactics, another War Room, Thunder Beetle, Surgery Room, another Commander, Council Chamber, Biology Lab, Tunnel Commando, the Oracle, Counselor Mariah Makes Plans, Breeding Chamber, Anglin Slaves, another War Room, Colonial Hulkbusters, Surgery Room Resource, Tunnel Commando, another Council Chamber Resource, another Biology Lab Resource, Colonial Scouts, the Oracle, Anglin Guard Beast, Breeding Chamber, Artillery Support, Cronus Consults the Oracle, Gamulus Core, Phalanx Provides Suppression Fire, Anglin Juggernaut, Electric Barrier, Gamulus, and lastly, Gamulus Plots the Approach. Alright, so we got a few different ones that are deck specific, but overall a lot of duplicates with the resources, which is one of my main complaints about the game. Is the limited number of cards in the set means you get a lot of duplicates. And honestly, if you're going to buy this game, I highly recommend just getting the starter deck, and don't bother with boosters. Just do a draft start and play starter deck against starter deck, because the boosters are just more of the same and there's not that much diversity between them. So anyway, that'll do it for this episode. As always, thanks for watching, and now we know what's inside the Swarm deck, and that'll do it for this episode. We'll see you next time on What's Inside.